My name is Mrs. Tosin. I'm Year 3 class teacher. I'm here to teach you on online courses on social studies. And my topic today is on communication. What did I say, everyone? Communication. Now, communication, our objective today is actually to look at the types of communication, the meaning of communication, then also the olden days or the modern means of communication. Now, let's see what is communication. Communication means gathering information or message across to people. It can also be verbal or non-verbal. Just like what I'm doing now, I'm communicating to each and every one of you at home. So communication means gathering information or message across to people. Now let's look at types of communication. We have verbal communication, verbal communication. Verbal communication can also be called oral communication. It involves the use of words directly by people involved. Communicating, it involves the use of words, just like what I'm doing now. I'm having a verbal communication with you. Now, the other example is non-verbal. This can also be called interpersonal communication. It involves the use of body language. That's people using body language aside from non-verbal, aside from verbal communication. Then we also have written communication. This is in form of writing words. Example like letter writing to brother or to sister, or writing composition about yourself. Actually, it has to do with writing. Now let's look at the olden or the modern method of communication. The olden method of communication, then, before I being born, our forefathers those days used drums. They drum to call attention of people before they can communicate whatever they have in mind. Then also we use flutes. They use flutes to communicate either by singing song of maybe somebody died around them or songs of victory. Then we also have the use of town crier. The town crier use the flute and make sounds around. Everybody gather around and listen to the word spoken by the town crier. Now we have the modern means of communication. One of the examples of the modern means of communication is postal system, the means of sending letters through postal system. Then we have radio means of communication. We have internet. As you can see these days, everyone goes on Google, on Zoom, on YouTube, everywhere to get Twitter, Facebook, to get people informed from one thing or the other. Then, just like I said, communication, I guess with this, I've been able to tell you the meaning of communication, types of communication, and the olden and the modern means of communication. So my people, I'm expecting you to do this, the take home at your leisure, send it to this class platform. What is communication? Mention 2 types of communication. State 3 modern and 2 olden days means of communicating. Thank you everyone for listening. I hope with this you'll be able to tell me what communication is, the types of communication, the olden and the modern means of communicating. With this, I leave you, and remember to play safe. Use your face masks. Thank you.